Today, I'm going to teach you how to change campaign conversion goals in Google Ads. This is an essential skill when you need to track different actions on your website or adjust what success looks like for your campaigns. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to ads.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google Ads account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can manage all your advertising campaigns. From here, locate the left navigation menu and click on the Campaigns option. This section is where all your campaign management happens, so it's important to get familiar with it. Once you click on Campaigns, the menu will expand to show you additional options. You'll see a Campaigns drop-down appear. Go ahead and click on Campaigns again from this expanded menu. This takes you deeper into the campaign management interface where you can make specific adjustments to individual campaigns. Now, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the campaigns running under your Google Ads account. Take a moment to identify the campaign you want to update. Once you've found it, click on the checkbox next to that specific campaign. This action selects the campaign and prepares it for editing. You'll notice a blue header appears at the top of the screen once the campaign is selected. This header contains several action options. Click on Edit and a small settings window will pop up. From this window, look for the option that says Update Conversion Goals and click on it. This is the gateway to modifying what actions you want to track as successful conversions for this campaign. The Conversion Goals window will now open, presenting you with several choices. You'll be required to choose between changing goal settings, adding goals, or removing goals. Each option serves a different purpose depending on what you need to accomplish. Click on the option you wish to implement, then adjust accordingly. For this tutorial, we'll focus on adding goals, so click on Add Goals. Let's say we want to update the goals and add page views from our website as a conversion action. Locate the checkbox next to page views and click on it to add it to your conversion tracking. This allows Google Ads to count every time someone views a specific page on your site as a valuable conversion. Once you've made your selection, click on Apply to confirm your changes. Google will process this update and your campaign will now track this new conversion goal moving forward. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your campaign conversion goals in Google Ads, giving you better control over what actions matter most for your business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.